now it's all good, babe. What I thought would, babe. Play me close. I need a girl like
I look like a homo.
I need a girl like you,
Break your shoulder.
I need a girl like you.
We are on our way to the store because she wants to make a Yule wreath for Yule and stuff. So
We going to Dollar Tree.
yeah, we're on our way to the Dollar Tree.
We balling on a budget out here. Decorations for the wreath I'm going to make, and my grandma wants some cookies.
Some shortbread cookies.
Shortbread.
Hey, we're at the Dollar Tree.
We at Dollar Tree, girl.
Here we are at the Dollar Tree.
And I'll see you guys when we get inside, okay?
Okay.
Should I get this one? It looks more earthy. Should I get this? It looks more earthy.
You can get two and wrap it around each other, glue it together or something. Make it
Yeah,
bigger.
but this is the only, like, you know, this is the only earthy one. Okay, just watch. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Something. I'm just watching you shop. Say something or something.
I'll buy your wreath.
You're too close. This is weird. I can't do this.
Yes, you can.
Ooh, look at this.
Oh, yeah, we need some of those. Should I
You
do
need
some
some of these?
No, not that. Some of these.
Oh, she meant this right here.
Should I do these?
My little thing. Let's see these prices.
Should I put bells on it?
Okay, huh? What?
Help me find things. Should I put bells on
Hey,
it?
did you ask me to help you find stuff?
Yeah.
I have to hold this camera,
Yeah, you
and
don't
I'm
have to-
already. Oh my god, I'm
You don't have
already.
to hold it that high. You could just
yes,
be like-
I have to look at your face. Your
Okay.
face wasn't even in the frame. I'm already awkward holding this camera in a store. You know, I thought it wouldn't be this awkward, but it really is holding a camera in a store.
I wouldn't be caring though. It's busy in here. Okay, but
That's why it's easier to get like a basket and then put it on the basket.
should I get bells?
Hmm?
Should I get bells?
Bells.
Sorry.
These bells right here.
Should I get bells, Keisha?
Would you want bells?
I don't know.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2.
So what are you thinking?
I'm thinking how much this gonna cost. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. Our budget's like 12.
What?
Yeah, our budget will be 12.
I need some hot fries.
It's $1 here.
Okay, we're out of. We got out of the Dollar Tree.
We spent $10 at Dollar Tree, got a whole bag of stuff. All right, don't go to the dollar store. Go to the Dollar Tree. You dig? Now we're off to Walmart because we need hot glue guns, and they only have mini hot glue guns. I mean hot glue sticks, and we need hot glue sticks.
Yeah. Okay, we're at Walmart and Nia wants to get some cool sticks for her her wreath or whatever, and okay, and we got out the car. We're in Walmart to get these sticks, and she thinks there's something in this bucket right here. So. Nia, it's probably for the cats.
Yeah, but why is that bucket right there?
For the cats. There's probably like.
Kittens in there, right?
No, there's probably like blankets and stuff because it's cold.
Open it.
Open what?
The bucket.
Is it? Oh.
Yeah.
No.
You can tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly.
Nia!
What?
Nia, a close up, please!
No camera. We got glue.
The master of my steel. edge, from the veins, from my lesson, from the brain, seeing the beauty through the.
Here in the outback, in my backyard, and I thought I was gonna cut some off this tree, but honestly, we got some right here. I'm just gonna cut these little things off, and we're gonna cut it into little pieces. So we'll lay it down. And this is already dead, so I'm not hurting the tree, y'all. What? It's true.
No, you said y'all.
Oh. Well, this is Texas out here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my hood. I'm gonna just show y'all what I got from the dollar store. Today, we're gonna be making a wreath for Yule. Alright, so we went to the dollar store, me and my sister, as y'all know, and we got some stuff for my wreath. We got this, we went to Dollar Tree, go to Dollar Tree, so because everything's $1. And I got all this for at least $10. So we got some ornaments, we got gold, silver, and like this not so gold, not so silver. But we're just gonna use the silver ones. Then we got this wreath. But it has these little things on it, but this was the only green one that I saw. Besides, you know, that I don't want to say ugly green, but like the fake looking green one. So we got this, and I thought they were gonna be bigger, but they're not. But it's okay because it's going on my door, my room door. Then we got some fake flowers. We got this one, this one, this one, and this one. And I'm going like for a white, silver looking wreath. I got bells. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna use them because they make a lot of noise. But we're gonna cut the tag off of all these things. Oh, and for this, you're gonna need a glue gun, and I went to Walmart to buy some glue sticks because we were out, and some scissors. And as y'all saw, I went to my backyard and I just got some sticks off the ground and I cut them up. And this is, we're gonna make a little pentagram in the middle, a pentacle in the middle. Well, it's a pentagram, but with the circles of pentacle. And we're gonna use these sticks to make that. And I wanted to use, like, I was thinking about just buying a star from the dollar store, which you can, but I didn't do that because I wanted to look more natural looking. I don't think I won't even want these sticking out, to be honest. I think I'm gonna just wrap them around. Nah, we're gonna wrap these around. So it can look thicker. So it can be thickums. See how I'm wrapping it? It makes it look thicker than having them stick out like that. And I'm not really in like the Christmas / Yule spirit, so that's why I'm doing this, y'all. But this is what it's looking like. Alright, now this is gonna be the hard part with these sticks. Hopefully I can cut these. I can't cut these with like scissors, so I'm gonna just go around like this for the spot, to mark the spot that I wanna cut them in. And my scissors over here, by the way. That's why if you see me looking over there, I'm talking to her. So I'm going around with my scissors like this to find the spot, like to just, you know, like that. Right here. Alright. So those are fine. And I'm like setting this down so I can know how I want it to look. Now the sticks are dry. So it's gonna go like this. And then this is gonna be the base of the star. Actually, I think I'm gonna put it up here. Like this. See? Where the star is?
Speed up.
Get our handy dandy tree cutters and cut it. Cut it. So this is what we're looking like so far. This was the hard part, but we did it already. Look how cute! Alright, and now we're just gonna add these little flowers on there. Okay? Make it cute or whatever. And we'll see what it is. Alright. And I'm just gonna cut the with the scissors and hot glue them. I'm gonna have them laying down like this. I'll show y'all like what I'm doing later. But I'm gonna have them laying down like that. So cute. This is how it's looking so far. So if I stand it up like this is what it looks like. But you know, we got more decorating to do. Right here is the last part, and I'm gonna just add one of these bells to it. It's what my wreath looks like. And then we're gonna go hang it up on my door. I'm gonna like get the little hot glue pieces, just get the little hot glue pieces off. All these little things like this, everything on this wreath was $1, including the wreath itself, except for the hot glue. Alright y'all, so this is what my Yule wreath looks like, and it's a pentagram, and then we got the wreath of course, and then we got all these little things that I hot glued on there and some bells.